Hello, friends. Your Shanmukh, fashion model, actor, public speaker, gamer, and software. ఇన్ని హాబీస్తో అయితే నేను బ్యాక్ వచ్చేసాను. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పుడైతే ఈవెంట్ అయితే ఉంది. నేను అంతా కంప్లీట్ అయితే చేసేసాను. అయితే నేను ఒకటి చూపిస్తే మీరు షాక్ అవుతారు. అయితే జాయ్ఫుల్ స్ప్రింగ్ పెన్ అయితే వచ్చింది. అయితే ఈ ఈవెంట్ నాకు తెలుసు. అండ్ ఇవాళ మన టాపిక్ ఏంటో మీరు పట్టేసే ఉంటారు, అనుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. ఓకే, చెప్పేస్తాను. మన ఈవెంట్ వెల్కమ్ టు న్యూ ఏజ్ అల్ఫైన్. ఎస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, అల్ఫైన్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను అనుకుంటున్నాను, కానీ కాదు ఫ్రెండ్స్. అల్ఫైన్ గురించి మాట్లాడట్లేదు నేను. అయితే ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీట్ చేసాను, రివార్డ్స్ అయితే వచ్చేసాయి. ఇవన్నీ చేసుకోవాలి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇది ఈ ప్లేసెస్లో మనకు ఉంటుంది. ఒకవేళ ఎవరన్నా కంప్లీట్ చేయకపోతే అండ్ మనకు పిల్ల ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీరు జస్ట్ లాగిన్ అడుగుతుంది. ఇక్కడ లాగిన్ అది నొక్కకండి, రీస్టార్ట్ చేసాను. మీన్స్ రీస్టార్ట్ యువర్ గేమ్ అగైన్, క్లోజ్ అండ్ రీస్టార్ట్. ఆఫ్టర్ క్లికింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ వన్, ఐ క్లిక్ ట్విట్టర్ and after clicking this exit and oh sorry, it's wrong way. Okay, it's different and very OP. Okay, today's time is very late, and so I need to do video in very short time, not like every video. And click 3 icons, rewards and share and Twitter or your anything, and then restart friends. Just remove it and restart. Just it will be finished. I have already did, so no, nothing will become. Okay, our game is started. You need to do like this, you will get on mailbox friends. And now our main event will say about main event. Okay, first we need to start game. Okay, now our event is, okay, we cut all the ads, and our event is friends new age. I have already said in this new age we have part 1. If you don't believe, I will show. Oh sorry, a small problem. Okay, news. Click on news in events new age esports news. Okay, in news, second bar, new age part 2. We in part 1 we know that we got frosty beach bundle, means body pack bundle, I will say it, and monster truck skin like that. From 17th December to 9th January we have new age part 2. You can see here. So I have seen many YouTubers, they are saying this female bundle will not come permanently or freely. It is not mentioned on calendar. So today I am stuttering. So okay, then I will read this. Welcome to New Age Survivor. You have officially made it. From 17 December 2021 to 9th January 2022. Stay stunned for the premium exchange store. You can see here premium exchange store on 1st Jan with more new items like here written winter ice runner bundle, means this female bundle. And I don't have its like image or anything, but I will show you after coming. I will show on. And I forgot something. Okay, but I'll not say. On first new year and winter ice runner bundle, frozen fox grenade skin. We did not got, means we got grenade skin already. I think so, this one only, I think so. Where it is weapon, we got already, but we'll get, I think so, two. Yes, two grenades will get. Second grenade from store only, and exchange for those exclusive rewards with new age coins. Play more the with friends to get the jingle head backpack. Look out for the new age day. So jingle head backpack means this one, friends. This backpack, which one? Jingle skull. Okay, so all items will get double. Okay, it's winter age event, means winterlands event. At last winterlands, now new age, so it is winter event. So it is a great event in our app. Okay. Okay, friends, to say this, I am making this video. Today is no gameplay, friends, because I am disappointed with the comments. Okay, okay, nothing. Today onwards, I will not make gameplays. After improving my gameplays, if once I will post a shot, means in training ground, I'll post a shot. If it's okay, I will make gaming videos also. Otherwise, normal events, I will say like this only. Okay, okay, friends. And next one, log in to claim the new Yeti pit. Exchange new age coins to get the Ice Blossom M60 Snow Dome plan and other rewards. Magic cube fragments. Okay, we know this. We know these all Wagger we got, and we'll get a new loot box. Okay, and this is our event, friends. Like we'll get these items, and this is that one. Which one? Okay, that is not backpack, loot box. Okay, we'll get backpack and loot box. Great. So friends, these are double, full double items we'll get. And one thing for proof, new age proof. You will say I have graphed and I have did editing, but not. For proof, I will show the. See, login rewards on 25th December. We have the backpack on login reward. But see down once. We have Yeti pet. One see, I am tapping. Just you can see. Okay, this is. And for another information, this is on my account only. I am showing in my account only. I am not copying. And if anybody sees that, somebody will keep copyrights on my channel, so I am showing in YouTube. Okay, this is the event. That means information I am going to say, and that's all this video about today. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and click the bell icon, friends, with your gaming love for many more updates. And happy 3 days advance new year. And on December 31st, we'll make potluck. Okay, okay, friends. And these are like that. Okay, okay, this is the pet skin. And I like this pet, friends. Okay. By ending, I'll say small words. Means today it is like, but ability is worst because ability is if you damage by grenade, you'll get less damage. Only by grenade, not with guns. I have already ability pet that is Shiva, and that's all. Just end with our namaskar. Namaskar. Okay. Thank you, friends. Bye.